Where the heck is my task manager? I know, that was one of the first things I said when I updated to Windows 11. So today's tutorial is going to be how to find your task manager. Now for some reason in the taskbar when you right click, they actually got rid of the task manager. And I know people have been complaining about that and they're going to be adding this in a future release, but for now it is not available as far as I know. So there are two ways to get to your task manager. Well, there's probably more than that, but the two main ways that I use is you can hit the start menu and just type the word task, and then you can get to the task manager from here. Or, even easier, we're just gonna close that down. If you right click on the start menu, you have a ton of options here. So I like right clicking just because there's so many different options you can do here, such as your run or your settings, but task manager's right here as well. Also PowerShell, that's also pretty useful if you do anything PowerShell or command line. So basically what I like to do is right click, hit task manager, and there you go. It opens up and you're good to go. And they keep changing it a little bit, but it's pretty much the same as Windows 10. Basically you have to play around with it for a little bit and you're good to go. Alright, if you like these tutorials, make sure to boop that like button and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.